everyone, it's Elizabeth at Dr. Emer's practice, and we are continuing our journey with our lovely patient. So now we're going to be doing the dermal infusion with the skin brightening infusion specifically for our patient. As you can see, our patient has some hyperpigmentation, and we want to address that. We also want to improve the tone and texture. I mean, he has beautiful texture because he did the Cosmetic not that long ago. But with the dermal infusion, it's just going to help us to get rid of any superficial dead skin as he prepares for his next treatment. So this is a perfect prep for any laser or any chemical peel, as it does help to get rid of dead skin, dirt, oil, anything that would be in the way of the peel to penetrate a little bit deeper. It's not uncomfortable. It actually feels really good as we gently exfoliate the skin and infuse it. So this specific skin infusion is called the skin brightening infusion. It's a combination of pigment suppressors, so tyrosinase inhibitors, which help to suppress pigmentation and also brighten the skin. It also has licorice root extract, which is one of my favorite active ingredients. Licorice root extract helps as an antioxidant, and it helps to brighten the skin. It's just one of those actives that you want to make sure that you're using or that your esthetician is using. The last active ingredient that the skin brightening infusion has is the ascorbyl glucoside, aka vitamin C. So this infusion is all about brightening the skin, evening out the tone and texture. But as you can see here, this little tip is going to help exfoliate dead skin. So it's very gentle, no downtime. You can do this before any major event. It also helps to lift blackheads, and it just feels really good on the skin too. Are you relaxing?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, so this is a great, gentle, no downtime treatment. We like to do this treatment before we do any crazy chemical peels like Cosmetic. We love combining our dermal infusion with the salt facial. Both of these devices work very well. Synergistically, they go well. The dermal infusion is helping to push the active serum deeper into the skin as it exfoliates, and the salt facial helps to get rid of as much dead skin as possible. So, this is the dermal infusion, and we're using it to prepare our patient because the next step, we want to make sure that the product penetrates as deeply as possible. So we want to make sure that we're getting rid of any dirt or oil before he does the microneedling with PRP.
What is the cost for a session of this?
That's a great question. You can DM us or you can email our concierge department and we will get back to you with pricing.
And what is he getting next?
Next, he's going to do one of my favorite treatments, which is microneedling with PRP, aka like magic. It just helps to produce collagen and elastin. It helps to regenerate the skin. Anyone who's ever like interested in doing a more medical facial, I highly recommend to look into microneedling with PRP or the vampire facial. So I'm just going to do a couple of passes here. Very gentle, it's not painful at all, and it does help to clean the skin thoroughly.
Is the pressure high enough to really take out all the dead skin and excess oil out of your pores?
So what's really cool is that we can control the pressure. So
Oh, I
I can go as aggressive or as gentle as I want, and I can also control it with this tip here. That's going to tell me how aggressive my exfoliation is being. So all of this is fully customized to our patients. It really depends on what the patient's looking for, how much downtime they could have. But yes, I could definitely turn up the heat and make sure that I'm cleaning the skin as much as possible. So, and then you can see here, when I hold it, you can see how the infusion starts coming through. And that's the infusion that I'm penetrating into his skin. So I'm penetrating the infusion, but at the same time, it's simultaneously lifting blackheads, dirt, oil, and taking it out of the skin. We also have different infusions with the dermal infusion machine. So we have So vitamin C, we have the gentle infusion, which is great for anyone that has rosacea, for anyone that has broken capillaries. Vitamin C is great as like a skin pick-me-up for anyone who has just dull, dry skin. And then the skin brightening infusion is my personal favorite. The skin brightening infusion combines antioxidants with pigment suppressors.
And how often do you recommend getting this done?
The dermal infusion is a really great maintenance facial that could be done every 4 to 6 weeks. It also can be done like literally like a week before a major event, just to get the skin prepped. And honestly, your makeup will set so much more beautifully after doing this.
Can you combine different serums, the ones that you were talking about earlier?
Yes, I can. So like I said, we can fully customize it. So there's ways of infusing, like if someone has dull skin, but they also have breakouts, we could do a combination of vitamin C and the pore solution, pore clarifying solution. So you're getting a little bit of both. So we are 100% able to customize every single aspect of the dermal infusion. And if someone has like a lot of congestion, I just like to kind of like turn it a little bit, like around the nose. It just helps to kind of lift those blackheads up a little bit.
How should the skin look after this, and how should it feel?
It will
Optimally.
feel extremely hydrated, and it should look glowing, radiant, clean. Above all, like clean. There's a lot of people that think that they clean their skin thoroughly at night, but I can tell you there's a lot of people that have makeup that's like in the jar that you can see after. So.
What, it's been stuck there for days?
Yeah.
Months?
Yeah, months.
Build
Even
up?
like sometimes I'm doing extractions and I'm like pushing out makeup along with a blackhead.
Wow.
So this helps to thoroughly clean the skin. So above all, you should feel clean, hydrated, and rejuvenated. You can see there's a little bit of microstimulation, so this is good. This is what we want to see. If the skin will be a little bit red, that's totally normal, but it's not going to be anything major. This redness will go away in a couple of hours. So actually like in an hour, because we're being very gentle and we're prepping him for his next step in the journey today with us. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.